everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you tuned in yesterday, you saw right at the very end a pretty nasty Duramax. Anyways, it was Mike from Dark Horse Diesel. He stopped by the house, dropped his stuff off here before Truck Wars. Anyways, here's another picture of it. Anyways, it's a single cab Duramax, twin turbo. It's been featured in Diesel Power magazine a few times. Anyways, we'll get some more information and videos of it later on. But today we're getting ready to head out to the track. Headed over to give Buddy and Chris a hand getting everything set up for the race tomorrow. We come back, got a few little odds and ends left to button up that I didn't get to yesterday. Trevor's supposed to be bringing his single cab over to button up a few things on it. And then tonight might be doing some test hits in Jamie's truck from Rush Motorsports. Give them guys a follow if you haven't already. But anyways, we're going to head down to the track, give them guys a hand, and when we get back, we'll touch base.